What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Rustic Greenhouse. My name is Mikey, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple immunity boosting tonic. And this is basically what I take a shot of this every single day to keep me healthy, and it helps me to keep my immunity up. And basically, I haven't been sick in the past 3 years since I started to take this, and I really believe heavily that we can heal our bodies and prevent any illness and disease just by the foods that we put into our body. Not only the foods that we put into our body, but the intentions that we have with the food that we put into our bodies. So, for example, if you're eating like a grapefruit, you say like, this grapefruit, thank you grapefruit for the healing properties or the healing vitamin C that keeps me healthy every time you eat it. So it's about having like intention, like when you eat food, when you cook, and anything like that. So basically, cider is a tonic that you create with very minimal ingredients, and the ingredients are citruses like grapefruit, oranges, and lemons. Then we have like garlic, a ton of garlic, some ginger and some turmeric, rosemary, thyme, and like some jalapeños and habaneros, and then some cinnamon sticks and star anise, and some onion and horseradish. So basically, you just like chop all those ingredients up, and then you put it into a large jar, and you fill the jar with apple cider vinegar. And then you let this concoction sit for like 6 weeks, and you can just like store it in a dark place, in a cabinet, and if you want, you can like burp it, but it doesn't really need to be burped. It just makes, I just like to like tip mine up and down like maybe every couple days, just to get like the ingredients like kind of like mixed together a little bit better. And peppercorn. Peppercorn is important to activate the turmeric properties. Okay, so basically what you do is chop all these ingredients up and then put them in the jar and then fill with apple cider vinegar. So I'm not going to show you about the chopping up part. I'll just kind of get back to you when I'm done chopping and all that stuff. So I'll see you in a bit.